How to check if variable is string with Python 2 and 3 compatibility. I'm aware that I can use isInstance str in Python 3.x, but I need to check if something is a string in Python 2.x as well. Will isInstance str work as expected in Python 2.x? Or will I need to check the version and use isInstance basister? Specifically, in Python 2.x. And Python 3.x does not have UFOO.
If you're writing 2.x and 3.x compatible code, you'll probably want to use 6.
The most terse approach I've found without relying on packages like 6 is. Then, assuming you've been checking for strings in Python 2 in the most generic manner, will now also work for Python 3+.
What about this? Works in all cases.
This is at Lev Levitsky's answer, rewritten a bit. The try/except test is done once, and then defines a function that always works and is as fast as possible. Edit. Actually, we don't even need to call isInstance, we just need to evaluate base string and see if we get a name error. I think it is easier to follow with the call to isInstance, though.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.